Hi, I'm Brittany and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do a swipe swish sound in iMovie without any download, because when I was trying to do it, everything seemed so complicated. So today we're going to learn just a little hack to get a very similar sound. In there you'll see the golf hit. This is decent, but in order to make it better, go ahead and drag it over to your clip, go to the utilities, go to clip adjustments. Here, go to the audio effect. Try a couple of these. One of them is cosmic. It's already better. This is the original, so it sounds bigger and closer. But there's another one, clip adjustments. My favorite to use is the muffled. That's more of that whoosh sound. It's my personal favorite. It sounds a little bit better, louder. So that's an option. So just for example, that's pretty good straight out of iTunes for that whoosh without having to download anything. Now let's give you an example within a project that I already did.
Open the lid anytime, nothing spattered on you. Cleanup was a breeze.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you like, subscribe, and stick around for future videos.